What's up, everybody? Today we're putting a hood solar kit on the Sprinter van. This is the 90-watt hood solar kit from Cascadia 4x4. It comes with an adhesive backing, so basically you measure it all out, adhesive back this onto your hood, and then it wires in series to an included charge controller, which will mount inside the engine compartment. And this will maintain the battery and auxiliary battery of the van while I'm just sitting in the sun. Okay, now that the panels have been centered and marked, I can go ahead and clean the hood really good and thorough and then put adhesion promoter within my marked areas. Then I'll be able to set the panels back on there, remove the adhesive backer as I go, and get them set good. We'll let it sit for probably 5 to 10 minutes. Of course, no water or snow or anything like that. And once they're good and set and established, then we'll be able to lift the hood, drop the wires around back, and start working on the solar charger. So that was the install. I've now been running these solar panels on the hood of my van for several months to give the full assessment before I close this video. I gotta say, I really like it. I think 90 watts is probably overkill for what I'm doing, powering the starter and auxiliary battery, but there is a peace of mind that comes with knowing that I'm always at pretty much 100%. By 9 a.m. every morning, they're gonna be at 100%, even on shady days or in the winter. So I really like that. I think that was value well spent on my part, and it was such an easy install that it was just worth it. Now, if you are looking to save roof space so that you can put other things on your roof, 90 watts is a lot and would power most of your venture van functions. So you could run all your stuff in the back off that and get probably pretty charged up throughout the day on the hood of your van. If you're doing like full-time living out of your van, you might want some sort of other additional charging method, but adventure van, we're kind of on the move a lot. You know, if you have a second alternator, DC charger, things like that, this 90 watts is gonna be a great supplement to go with it and to help you charge when you're sitting idle. But it's definitely a fair amount of wattage, and I think that it probably suffice for most functions. So really, I think it's a great product. Ease of install, peace of mind. All in all, I think it's a win, and I hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you in the next one.